I was gonna say, we are getting it done, girl. We're getting it done. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Shashura Rivera with the Rise Up Moms YouTube channel. Are you in need of small pantry organization ideas? I know I am. The small pantry organization transformation is going to be awesome. I have a lot of organization ideas for you guys, so let's get started. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe right down below, right there, right now, for more homemaking videos just like this one. Every week, I'm posting videos to help you with your cleaning, your organizing, your decorating, your cooking, or maybe you even just want a mom to connect with, and that is what my channel is all about. I'm super excited to share these small pantry organization ideas with you guys. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is the before. Please don't judge me. I know it's really bad, but we are going to get it all under control today. And it just keeps going. Quick little Target haul for you guys. I picked up these 3-tier shelves. I got a couple of them because I think I'm also going to organize our vitamins with those. I picked up these woven baskets. These are actually the same type of basket that I featured in my Declutter With Me video. I can link that in the cards for you as well if you want to check it out, and in the description box down below. But I've really liked these baskets. This is a different size, so this is a little bit shorter as well as more narrow. And then these as well. Here, let me move these out of the way. These are from Target too, and it's like a charcoal gray color with these rose gold handles. You can stack them or keep them separate. I thought these would be perfect for like potatoes and onions. I don't know if I'll stack them or have them apart, but we'll see how that works. And then I picked up this OXO, I don't know that brand, how to pronounce it, OXO. So I picked up this for cereal. I also picked up a Lazy Susan from Target. These clips are from TJ Maxx. They're a really good price. What were they? $2.99. So I got those as well. And Jack's really excited to help mommy with the pantry, aren't you, bud?
Yeah, I am. So I love you.
You what?
So I love you.
I love you too, buddy. These are from Target. This was like $8.99 and $6.99 a piece. And then I also got this, like, what is it, wrap organizer for $3.99 from TJ Maxx too. So I thought maybe that would be good as well. That's all the stuff I have for right now, but I'll see if I need anything else for my small pantry organization. Time to get cleaning. It's going good, bud. Oh my gosh.
Good.
Almost dropped that on my head. Okay.
Look at all this stuff. It's filling up the whole countertop.
Yeah.
Okay, that's only half of it. We still have all of this. I still have to clean these racks. They're actually really gross looking. So I'm going to spray down my thieves and let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to wipe everything down. Then I'm going to put all of the baskets in and try to arrange everything and see how I like it. Ew, what is this? Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? Hi.
This is all of the stuff that came out of there. This magic eraser is giving this pantry life right now. Let's see, let me show you. See that? Wow. I organized my small fridge, which I used these clear plastic bins. So I have some extras and I'm going to use them in my pantry today as well. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this setup. I think it looks pretty organized and functional. I just have to label everything and put everything away. First, I need to go through all of this stuff and make sure that there's nothing expired. There shouldn't be too many things that are expired in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go through all of that now. Guys, some of this stuff is empty. I don't even know why it's in there. I got these little jars from the dollar store and they're airtight containers. So I'm gonna put little things like, instead of this plastic container of nutritional yeast, I'm gonna put it in here. I just think it's cuter and I feel like it's gonna make it last longer too. Just spilled that all over me. While I have the wax paper on hand, I want to show you guys this little trick. So on the side, there's this little thing. Can you see it? Hold on. Oh, there's this thing right here that says press and lock. And you just press that in like that. And it's supposed to hold it in place so it doesn't like fall around everywhere. You'll also find that on your foil so the roll is not like rolling around everywhere. And look how easy that was. So cool, right? Okay, it is the next morning. I had to just kind of stop what I was doing because things started to get a little out of hand. I wasn't able to fit like certain things in these half-gallon mason jars, so I had to order more of these gallon jars to fit everything because like I was spilling. Let me just show you. So I was spilling stuff everywhere trying to fit it in here. It started to get a little unorganized and crazy, so we are gonna pick it up today and finish it today. This should be interesting because I have the kids. I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old. I have the kids by myself today and I'm gonna try to get this done. You guys, I'm sure, know how that goes, trying to get anything done with kids. I hear Everly getting into something in the background and yeah, let's try. That's a lot of rice. You guys know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna zip this back up, tip it over. I'm gonna cut a corner, pour it in like that. Oh my goodness, that worked so good. I get so much inspiration from Pinterest. I'm even getting some font inspiration here and writing out on the jars what I want it to say. I'm using a chalk marker by the brand Sharpie, and this is by no means permanent, and I had it that way on purpose. If you want something more permanent, you can use an oil-based or water-based Sharpie chalk marker. And I wanted to show you guys this little trick too. So I have some pancake mix that's already pre-made and I just wrote out the recipe on the label. That way I wouldn't forget it. One thing you can do to make sure that your pantry looks more organized is when you have these little bags of snacks, you cut off any excess. There's hardly anything in here. Just enough for Everly to have a snack, and then you can get the chip clip and clip it on like this. It just looks a little bit nicer and there's not as much of a crumbled up mess in your pantry. This is what my counters are looking like now. I'm pretty much done with the pantry and I just have to clean up this giant mess. Are you guys ready for my small pantry organization reveal? I'm so excited about it. I know you moms can truly appreciate the hard work that I put into this. Let's take a look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Here I have a lot of my bulk items. I really ended up liking this jar. I have some sugar and flour, brown rice, and tapioca starch. I tried to organize everything in a way that I used from like least to most. It was okay for me to have them up higher and out of reach. And then down here I have a lot of my canned stuff and some more baking stuff as well. I really like that 3-tier rack for this because now I can see everything I have at a glance, and that's really nice. And then I just labeled all of the jars. You can also put the expiration date underneath these as well if you want. For the mason jars, I put it on top of the lid here. Let me show you like that. And then down here, I just have baskets. I have a lot of oatmeal and just some breakfast stuff, some peanut butter. Then here I have like pancake mix, some pastas, just random stuff I cook with, and I labeled everything and put the expiration date as well. Down here we have a bunch of kid snacks. I actually need to go grocery shopping, so we have cereal. There's more room if we need to add another one. Right now all we have usually is just like one packet of cereal. And then I have like kid snacks. I decided to do everything in print down here because Jack is learning how to read, so he can easily understand and be able to put things away or grab things out and understand and read that. Down here I have some fruit because the kids can just easily grab the fruit and eat it. I have some kitchen cloths and oven mitts, as well as some extra mason jars and flour that I have to get another jar for. I ran out of jars. And then down here I have that organizer I was telling you about, which actually works really well for the Ziploc bags and parchment paper and things like that. I have the Lazy Susan with some Tupperware right here, so we can easily access it and just spin it around and grab what we need. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really enjoy making these videos for you. Every time you like, comment, subscribe, it means the absolute world to me and my family, and I appreciate you guys being here. I better get going. I got kids calling at me. Bye. Woo, what was that? Okay, that's really weird. Let's take it from the top. My goodness, Everly. Okay, things are already getting a little messy around here.
Thanks for watching, you lady. Love you. Goodbye.